Today, we're launching Drop-in to make any software adapt to you. We have tools like Claude, Cursor, and Lovable, so we can build highly customized apps exactly the way we want it within a few hours. But the big tools that we use and rely on every day, we just adopt to whatever they shipped. I'm talking about the HubSpot, SAP Salesforce, the internally built dashboard 10 years ago. It's the same screen, the same flows, the same features, the same for everyone. And this is exactly why we built Drop-in, the adaptive layer for any existing web app. You just describe what you need and Drop-in adds it inside the tool as a button, a panel, a workflow, or a completely new custom view that works and feels like a native feature. Here's a quick example. You're on a LinkedIn profile and you want an Add to HubSpot button to get this contact over to your CRM. Drop-in builds and places the button right on a page. One click now creates or updates the contact, enriches the company, and adds notes exactly the way you need it. And it's not just a one-time automation. It's a feature that stays. Try for free today under usedropin.com and change any app the way you need it.